Ano pa? What awaits you sa journey mo, my loves? Right now, it seems na nagmumukhang karmic yung relationship mo, my loves. Or you are dealing with karmic relationships. Hindi man yan love life. Pero may mga tao na nagsaserve sa'yo as lesson, my loves. Kahit sino ma-encounter mo, my loves, right now, kung sino man sila, sila ay nagsaserve as your karmic. Okay? As your karmic. So, my loves, the perspective, none of this matters. Huwag kang mag-focus masyado sa mga taong parang dumadating sa life mo, whether love life, katrabaho, family members, my loves. Huwag kang masyado mag-focus sa part na yun. Kung hindi ka man blessed sa mga taong nasa paligid mo, my loves, none of this matters. So, zoom out mo para mas makita mo kung ano pa yung mga naghihintay sa'yo. Kasi right now, parang nakafocus ka doon sa mga karmic na tao sa paligid mo, my loves. Pero, ito nga, kung hindi ka agad mag-grow or hindi ka agad matututo doon sa mga taong yun, hindi ka magkakaroon ka ng conflict sa yung purpose, sa yung mga kagustuhan. Kasi itong mga tao to, yung iyong pinofocus, okay? So, kailangan mo ng soul growth. And meron tayo, you've got the love. Okay, parang ang main talaga ng journey mo is about the codependencies. Pero dito, my loves, ibig sabihin, you are meant for something na magkaroon talaga ng codependent someone. You got the love, my loves. So, you are being in here, isa sa mga journey mo talaga ay magkaroon ng katuwang. Pero it doesn't mean na hindi mo kasama na doon, my loves, yung mga karmic relationships. Meron din dito, my loves, na boundaries. So, kailangan, my loves, is magkaroon ka, or kailangan mo, my loves, is magkaroon ka pa rin ng boundaries kahit meant for each other na kayo ng love life mo. Okay, so dito may nalaglag tayo dito ng mga cards, the Child of Cosmos, the Seas of Mintaka, Lost Lands, and Star Family. My loves, so since na ito ay general reading at tinitingnan natin ang energy mo right now, you are meant for something. Ito, yung mga taong to na na-encounter mo right now is na-encounter mo na sa past life. Okay? You've done this before. Your memory, kumbaga, yung mga nangyayari sa'yo before, yung mga tao na encounter mo is na-encounter mo na before. And my loves dito meron kang something, meron kang you are a very intuitive person. Pag sinabing Seas of Mintika, my loves, meron kang potential when it comes to manifestations. Bakit natin nasabing manifestations? Because of this perspective. And dito yung lumitaw, my loves. Meron kang malaking potential kung hindi ka magfo-focus sa mga toxic person in your life or toxic people in your life. You're part of a team of a soul. You've got this love. So, ibig sabihin, my loves, you are meant for someone. You are meant to have a partner or be part of a team. Okay? So, meron ka, my loves, na kakayahan na naging part din ng team, mag-lead. Meron ka, my loves, na sabihin natin, intellectual abilities, my loves, to lead something, to heal someone. My loves, may kinalaman sa pagmamanage ng tao. Meron kang ability. When it comes to, sinabi natin, Child of the Cosmos dito, my loves. So, let's see more clarifier about this energy. Ninalaglag tayo yung isang card. Kunin ko muna, wait. Ayan, power. Power yung nalaglag, my loves. So, yun yung nalaglag kanina. The power of love. O, ayan. Since na general tayo, my loves, let's see more clarifiers about this. Knight of Pentacles, my loves. So, maging practical I hear na kailangan mo maging slow and steady. Huwag ka magmadali. Kailangan mong maging committed. Okay? So, being grounded is the key. Huwag ka, my loves, padalos-dalos. I hear that, my loves. And with the Queen of Cups. Diba kanina nabanggit ko, meron kang kakayahan mag-lead ng team, ng relationship. My loves, I hear na huwag ka mag-focus sa mga karmic people na nakapaligid sa'yo. Meron kang potential, my loves, na mag-care pa. You are very compassionate. Pwede natin na malakas ang intuition mo. You are very, sabihin natin, you are healer. You are very supportive. Meron kang empathy, my loves. Dun ka mag-focus. Wag mo, sabihin natin dito, sa zoom out kasi, wag ka mag-focus sa iisang tao, sa iisang group. Kasi you are meant for everybody. With the Queen of Cups, my loves, you are compassionate. And kung hindi mo nakikita sa sarili mo yon, mag-focus ka dun, my loves, for being compassionate, warm, and caring individual. Kasi dun ka naka-align. Yun yung journey na nag-iintay sa'yo. May kinalaman doon. Okay? Kaya kung halimbawa, wala kang pakialam sa mga tao sa paligid mo, my loves, meron kailangan ka ng ibang tao. Hindi lang ng iisang tao o ng iisang team. Hindi lang itong mga karmic relationships na meron ka. And the Empress, my loves. Meron dito, the Empress card is card for pregnancy, my loves. Kaya kung hindi ka naman mabubuntis, meron kasi dito, Empress card. Very nurturing din to. So, double confirmation na napaka-caring mo talaga. And my love dito sa Empress card natin, kung hindi man yan baby na literal, kasi iyan ay pagbubuntis, meron kang kinukulminate na something. May binubuo ka na something na, kumbaga, ready ng lumabas. Kasi ito is creation. Card for creation din ang ating Empress. So, my loves, I hear na you are meant to care. Ba? Tama. You are needed. Hindi lang ng mga taong karmic relationship mo, kung hindi ng ibang tao. Okay? So, kung ano man yung mga pinaplano mo, yung gusto mong mabuo, my loves, I hear na iyan ay naka-align sa'yo. And make it sure na iyan ay, sabihin natin, may kinalaman sa pag-lead, may kinalaman sa pagiging leader as a team. Okay? So, let's see more. Caution. Find out more. My loves, eto na nga, lumitaw dito sa karmic relationship yung caution. Ito, kagaya ng sinabi ko sa karmic relationship, hindi lang siya basta relationship, pati yan sa mga ibang tao. Don't overwork or don't, sabihin natin, wag mong masyadong i-full 100% sa mga taong ito yung iyong energy, kasi kailangan ka rin ng iba. Okay? Zoom out. Okay? At marami pa. Makikita mo na marami pang aligned sa'yo. Marami pang nangangailangan sa energy mo. Kasi being the Empress, bukod sa pagiging mother, my loves, nurturer siya. Kailangan din siya ng iba. Give it time. So, kung meron ka, my loves, minamanifest, double confirmation na to, na slow and steady. Huwag magmadali. Okay? Huwag magmadali. My loves, kung ano yung pinagdadaanan mo right now, getting new pets, lahat-lahat, my loves dito majority of this energy is giving, nurturing, caring. Okay? So, pwede, my loves, kung isa sa mga magre-remove ng mga karmic mo is magbigay ka, mag-alaga. So, isa na rin yun is mag-alaga ka ng pet. Kung gusto mo mapagabayaran yung mga Kasi meron tayo dito, di ba, na card na iyan ay may kinalaman din sa past life mo. So, kung ano man yung mga naging karmic mo doon, isa sa mga pwedeng mag-remove ng iyong mga karmic sa past life mo is mag-alaga ka. Okay? Mag-care ka, mag-nurture ka, or mag-alaga ka ng pet. Okay? Mag-alaga ka ng pet kung wala. Okay, so let's see more. Okay. Tingnan natin energy. From beautiful flower bouquet, happiness arises. Not small joys. Hindi lang siya, but eto ha, you are meant to be lucky, my loves. Parang nakikita ko dito yung Jupiter energy na, alam yung, maswerte kayo eh. Lalo na kung i-zoom out mo yung perspective mo. Ibig sabihin, zoom out, hindi ka lang basta naka-zoom in, naka-focus sa iisang bagay, sa iisang pangyayari, sa iisang tao. Luck is and everything maximizes, my loves, with this bouquet. So my loves, eto ha, kung merong nakakapanakit ng feelings mo right now, kahit sino man yan, my loves, wag mong madaliin. Wag ka magmadali sa result. Mag-zoom out ka, i-divert mo yung focus mo sa iba, my loves. With this cross. Okay. Dito, meron ditong misfortune of swords. The farther away, the worse it will be. Okay, near, my loves, nakalapit siya dito sa bouquet. So, ibig sabihin, may caution nga. May mga karmic nga talaga, may mga karmics na tao sa paligid mo na parang delikado or makakapagbigay sa'yo ng misfortune. So, ngayon pa lang, my loves, ito is sa misfortune na to, may kinalaman to sa yung pentacles or sa yung kaperahan. So, maging cautious ka na doon sa mga taong yon. Maglagay ka ng boundaries, my loves, kung kinakailangan. Huwag ka magpa-dream. Okay? Kasi ito, napakaswerte mo eh. Pero parang may mga taong lumalapit sa'yo or may mga taong nakapalibot sa'yo na nagiging cause ng blockages at misfortune. Okay? So, you are meant to be so lucky. Pero dahil sa mga karmic mo, kung hindi mo agad matututunan yung mga lesson na dala nila sa life mo, is pwedeng maging cause yan sa'yo ng misfortune. Okay, ayan. With the anchor at your side, gains in trade come to view. Unsteady love will face you. So, dito, my loves, I hear, meron nga talaga nakakapagpigil sa yung abundance, sa yung progress. Meron. And I hear, my loves, confirmation eh. Dito siya mas malapit. Ito kasing cross na to, kung saan siya mas malapit, iyon yung, my loves, eto. Iyon yung kanyang, dun siya pwedeng mag-cause ng pain. So, confirmation, my loves, if it far away mistakes and at steady love will face you. So, eto yun, sa bouquet. So, my loves, I hear dito, mas malapit siya. Ang isa sa mga nagiging blockages mo is karmic about your love life. Kung hindi mo nalalearn yung lesson doon. Kung hindi mo kaya magpatawad, mag-let go doon. Kasi unsteady love will face you, my loves. Unsteady love. Pwedeng iyon din yung isa sa lesson. Sa sabihin nating nagbibigay sa'yo ng pain. That's why nahihirapan ka mag-manifest. Okay, let's see more clarifier. Tingnan nga natin. Kasi lumilitaw dito, unsteady love. My loves, I hear na madali ka din talaga masaktan. So, kailangan my loves, maglagay ka talaga ng boundaries. Resources. My loves, maraming opportunity na naghihintay sa'yo. Huwag kang mag-focus sa iisa lang. Lumitaw na to. Assignments. Kung ano man yung mga challenges mo right now, kagaya nga ng sinabi natin kanina, because of the karmic, kailangan talaga may lessons learned. Part yan. Napaka-worst tingnan, my loves. Sabihin natin, part to ng yung destiny. Yung kung ano man yung gusot na nangyayari sa life mo right now. Okay, so meron dito na mga outdated love relationship na sobrang na matagal na, masyadong mabagal ang progreso because of this. Trap ka, my loves. Trap. You are trapped. My loves, I hear na kailangan mong pakawalan. Ano man yung nangyari sa inyo before, kailangan mong pakawalan, my loves. Kailangan mong manalig. Kung siya talaga ang para sa'yo siya. Pero kailangan mong, my loves, kailangan magkaroon ng progress. Hindi ka dapat nakafocus lang doon. Tanggapin mo na merong, kasi slow and sluggish, napakatagal. Matagal yung prosesong to, my loves. Gaya din ng angkla na to, isa to sa nagiging pampabigat para hindi ka makausad. Okay? So, let's see more. Let's see more. Let's see more. Ang ganda nito, my loves. With scarab, beetle. Ayan, kung nakakakita ka ng beetle. Or pwede ito isa sa mga lucky charm mo, the beetle. Scarab, magic works through you. Napakalakas mo talaga mag-manifest, my loves. You are meant for something big. You are meant to be lucky, my loves. Magic works through you. Kaso, naka-zoom in ka lang palagi. Naka-zoom in ka lang palagi. You have to zoom out. Yun yung luck mo Pero yung mga napapabagal ng progress. So, dito, my loves, with the grasshopper, take a leap of faith. Kagaya ng sinabi ko, gusot. Gusot man yan ngayon. Part yan ng procedure, part yan ng assignments nyo, part kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo with other person, part yun ng assignment nila, task nila sa life mo, okay? So, kailangan mong ma-realize ano ba talaga yung hatid or yung tadhana namin with this person, ano ba talaga yung gusto niya ipa-realize. Claim your independence, my loves, with the cat spirit. Claim your independence. Kahit na meant for someone ka, meant for a team, meant for a family, claim your independence, my loves. Kailangan mo magkaroon ng boundaries. Okay, so pwede, my loves, if you see sa scarab, grasshopper, cat spirit, my loves, spirits are talking to you, pinapaalala sa'yo, take a leap of faith. Take a leap of faith, my loves, kasi kailangan mong gawin to mag-isa. Kailangan mong umusad, my loves. Kailangan mong umusad kahit na meron kang daladalang mabigat. Kasi you are dealing with a slow and sluggish, outdated relationship. Very traditional, or sabihin natin, hindi na siya, kailangan mo nang mag-innovate or kailangan mo nang magkaroon ng progreso sa sarili mo, my loves. Okay, so anong kailangan mo right now? Again claim your independence. Right now, my loves, kailangan mo talaga i-claim yun. May mga blockages ka. Okay, so ito is get answers to your biggest questions. Na-realize mo na ba? So, kailangan mong tanggapin yun. Kung ano man yung realization, my loves. And kung naguguluhan ka, my loves, you need to meditate, tap into dito, my loves, ano yung talagang sagot. Pero mamaya tingnan natin, kung meron kang tanong, my loves, ngayon pa lang, what is your big questions, and titingnan natin kung ano yung sagot ni spirits, my loves. Okay? Get answers to your biggest questions. Citrine, my loves. So, dito sa citrine natin, manifest your masterpiece. Pwede din, my loves, na ito ay lucky charm mo, citrine. Okay? Yes, confirmation. Lucky charm mo ang citrine, my loves. So, meron kang bang big dream? Kung meron kang minamanifest ngayong taon na something big, my loves, gumamit ka ng citrine. Okay? And then set intentions. Set intentions. And pyrite. Lahat ng mga nabunot natin, my loves, ngayon is may kinalaman talaga sa abundance. May kinalaman talaga sa abundance, my loves. Call on your core power, okay? Pwede din, my loves, na hindi lang basta abundance, hindi lang basta pera. Pwede din, my loves, is kung saan mo meron kasi itong pagka-nurture's power. Okay? So, or nurturer's power. Kasi, pag meron ka talaga abundance, kaya mo mag-share sa iba. Kaya mo mag-nurture ng iba. Tama? So, my loves, itong dalawang to, citrine, pyrite, kung wala ka pang lucky charm na ganyan, my loves, sumawa ka ng ganyan kasi pwedeng iyan yung makakatulong din sa'yo para ma-manifest mo ng mabilis yung iyong mga desire. Okay, solstice. My loves, dito, moon phase. Pag kasi solstice, my loves, is about sa sun to eh. About sa sun. Okay? So, my loves, I hear the strength. I hear the strength. Yung energy mo, my loves, kailangan mong pag-initin. Kung Leo, my loves, yung Leo energy mo, kailangan mong i-embody. Create. Double confirmation for creation. Kung hindi ka, my loves, creative, try mo, my loves, na mag-create with your hands. Try mo mag-manifest with your hands, my loves. Dito, may creation talaga eh. May creation. New moon, my loves. So, set intentions pa rin. Double confirmation, set intentions. Ano ba talaga? Kung halimbawa, bibigyan ka ng isang tanong or isang pagkakataon, isang wish, ano yun? What is the biggest question? What is your biggest question, my loves? Kasi dito, ang dami, pwedeng magulo. Nakafocus ka sa nakanegahan ng mga taong nagbigay sa'yo ng kanegativan. Pero my loves, you have to set intentions. I also hear the new moon is the new beginning for you. So my loves, ano ba yung gusto mo talagang i-manifest right now? Starting today, ano yung gusto mo i-manifest? And kailangan talaga merong kasamang creativity yan na sa tingin mo makakapag-heal ng kapwa mo. Makakapag-heal ng other people, makakapagbigay sa kanila ng healing, makakatulong sa kanila, my loves, ano yun. So, ngayon pa lang, challenge yourself. My loves, pangatlo na to, creation. Through the darkness I crossed and still I found myself in the presence of life. Creation, creativity. My loves, tingnan mo, meron na naman pregnancy dito. Triple confirmation, you are meant to be a mother. To mother of someone, to mother of many. Pero my loves, through the darkness, I hear na the light is upcoming into fruition. Kung ikaw ay nasa womb, parang napakadilim, my loves. kung iyan yung dinaranas mo right now, meron pa rin, nandun pa rin yung new beginning na paparating, nandun pa rin yung fruition, my loves. Right now, iginagaya ka for something, pero it's time for you to shine na makakita na ng liwanag, my loves. Surrender. Surrender to the unknown. There's nothing more blissful than the act of letting go. O, nabanggit na natin dito yung letting go para sa progress, my loves. Go with the flow. Okay? Kung ikaw ay meant for your luck, go, my loves. Huwag mong hayaan na pigilan ka ng iba, pigilan ka ng mga negative mindset, or yung mga old and outdated na perception, my loves. Free yourself. That doesn't serve you, my loves. Setting yourself free of all that doesn't serve you. Okay, milk and butter, like the silk of one's flesh, my loves. My loves, meron pa rin giver dito talaga. You are meant to nurture, to care someone, something. You are meron ka talaga nurture energy, my loves. So, kung gusto mo pang ma-manifest at ma-activate yung luck mo and abundance, my loves, dun ka sa profession, sa business na kung saan makakapag-heal ka, makakatulong ka sa kapwa mo, my loves. Makakapag-share, makakapagbigay ka, my loves. But, dapat merong boundaries. Dapat nandun pa rin yung boundaries. So, nabanggit natin dito yung Leo energy, my loves. Yielding is the only way. So, dito, my loves, be prepared to sacrifice for. Parang nahihirapan ka mag-let go, my loves. You have to sacrifice. Inspire others. Inspire others, my loves. With the Neptune energy, you have to inspire others. You have to support others. And the Jupiter, nabanggit ko kanina, Jupiter energy, be positive. Learn or teach, my loves. Be positive. Grow and expand. Okay, nabanggit ko na yung Jupiter kanina, di ba? Kasi parang Jupiter yung energy. So, lumitaw na nga siya. And, fun, romance, and making art na naman. My loves, alam nyo ba, yung 5th house is the house for creativity, passion, romance, lust. Do it dramatically. If ever na magla-love making ka with your someone, my loves, make it sure na passionate ka with the trust with the trust of a child, innocence, my loves. Pero one thing is for sure, there is malakas yung energy ng creation dito. Creation, ano pa man yun, creation of life, creation of art, kasi meron dito fun, romance, and making art. Yun yung 5th house, my loves. Okay? Yun yung 5th house. So, pag-aralan mo yung 5th house, my loves, so, paano ka pa mag-expand sa part na yun? Kasi medyo outdated na. So, do it dramatically, my loves. Wag yung basta-basta lang. Dapat, my loves, nandun yung passion pag ikaw ay nandun sa energy mo ng creation or when you're tap into your creativity. Okay? Spirit messages, let's see. Shadow. My loves, kung hindi ka pa nagsha-shadow work or nagko-contemplate, my loves, yung shadow work, yung scrying na to, pagtingin doon sa yung darkness. Nabanggit na dito kanina, di ba? Sa culmination, your darkness. Hindi mo kailangan mag-shortcut. Kailangan talaga, my loves, tingnan mo muna. Ano ba yung mga darkness na to? Sino ba ang may gawa nito? Or sino ba ang may dala nito sa akin, my loves? You have to face that shadow. And eto na naman, containment na naman, set intention na naman, my loves. The cauldron, kung imagine meron kang cauldron, ano-ano doon yung mga intention or energy na ibibigay mo, my loves. And the candles. So, dito may pagka-fiery ang ating energy. So, hindi talaga imposible na hindi lalabas itong magic candles na to. So, my loves, meron ditong candles you have to manifest. I hear na kailangan mo talagang magsindi lagi ng kandila and mag-pray. To manifest faster, you have to manifest using candle magic, okay? So, by the way, sa candle magic, mag-a-announce na lang po ako kung available na rin yung ating mga candle, manifestation candle. Kasi so far, hindi pa siya available sa ating shop. O bakit ba ito yung ating ano? Okay, silip tayo sa, nasilip na natin ba yung love life? Okay, tumalon. Fated meeting. You are meant, meron ka talaga. Important connection in your life talaga. Kung may doubt ka, meron. Pero dapat alam mo kung ano yung dala nila, my love. Hurting right now. Kung ikaw ay still agonizing or in pain, my loves, give it time. Be positive and grow. Proposed commitment. Ba't laging lumilitaw to, my loves? So, bakit? Yes, bakit? Kasi, yan ay part. Yan ay kailangang mangyari. Okay? So, my loves, right now, be independent muna, like this cat. Be independent muna, my loves. Go with the flow. Surrender, my loves. Surrender. Tanong, paano ko ba iso-surrender? So, surrender, my loves. Pero dito, merong proposal, merong commitment, upcoming. Okay. So, sige, dito na tayo sa questions. What is your big questions? And sasagutin niyan the spirits. What is your biggest question? Okay. Abundance, my loves. Abundance. 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 Get more information. 2 beses na yung lumitaw. Get more information. Kung meron kang pinaplano right now, may gusto kang tahakin, business, get more information. 2 times nang lumitaw to. Be caution and get more information. Kung meron kang bagong friend, may kakilala ka, or meron kang tao nga na parang na karmic sa life mo, get more information about them. Huwag kang magpapaniwala sa mga bagay-bagay. Magkaroon ka dapat ng boundaries. Pero ito, abundance is coming, my loves. So, kung merong kinalaman sa business yan, gusto mong i-open na business, get more information. Basta si spirits, gusto niya, pag-aaralan mo muna ang mga bagay-bagay, huwag kang magmadali. Okay? Huwag mong madaliin ang mga bagay-bagay. Slow and steady, win the race. And also, pag andyan ang commitment, my loves. Pag nandyan ang commitment. Fairness. This situation will be handled in a fair and just manner. So, kung meron man naka-hurt sa'yo, nandito, ang karmic justice, my loves. So, kung meron man nanloko sa'yo, nandyan ang karmic justice. Okay? So, for your soul action. What is your soul's action na kailangan mong gawin? Kung hindi mo alam kung saan ka mag-i-start, ito yung soul action na kailangan mong gawin, my loves. Make a desire list. Okay? So, dito. Do I surround myself with people who lift me up? Masasagot mo yun. Sa pinakauna nating card, di ba? Meron lumitaw na karmic relationship. So, the question is, ngayon mag-reflect ka, do I surround myself with people who lift me up? Kung wala silang naitutulong sa inyo, sa'yo, na hindi, nakita na rin natin to eh. Kung wala silang maitutulong, my loves, alam mo kung ano ang dapat gawin. Magkaroon ng boundaries. Okay? So, make a desire list of a type of people whom you wish to surround yourself. So, to manifest kung ano man yung gusto mong makita sa mga tao, pwede. The people with whom you surround determine who you become. Kaya nga, dito, kung ang daming gusto at parang ang daming balakid, my loves, kasi nakadepende yan sa mga taong nakapalibot sa'yo. Okay? So, dapat talaga, my loves, yung energy mo is ikalat mo, wag mong masyadong ibuhos sa iisang lugar, sa iisang team, sa iisang tao lang, my loves. Yung mga nabanggit natin kanina, mas makakatulong na ma-manifest mo yung mga bagay mabilisan kung gagamit ka ng mga ganun, and also yung mga spirit animal natin, my loves, those are very accurate, so maging attentive ka lang, okay? And the 9-9, I am courageous. Have courage, my loves. I hear have courage and be kind is one of your mantra. Have courage and be kind. It's time to get to work on your realization. 9-9 or 9 means the endings and beginnings, my loves. Realization of your soul's mission in life. You have a higher purpose in this life that is yours and only yours to fulfill. Okay? So, unless your true power, my loves. So, nalaman mo na saan ka magsisimula, ano yung mga kailangan gawin to nurture. So, have courage. Have courage and be kind, my loves. And that's all for your reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.